Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed in with an administrator account because renaming the PC requires elevated rights. Once you've opened Settings, press Windows plus I to go fast, move to System, and then About. You'll see your current device name here. That name is what Bluetooth broadcasts to other devices. So rather than hunting Bluetooth menus, you'll change this device name next. That's the only reliable method on Windows 11 to alter how your laptop appears over Bluetooth. Now click Rename this PC in the About section. You'll type the new name, choose something short and identifiable because that exact string is what other devices will display. After you enter it, Windows asks you to confirm and will prompt for a restart. Accept that restart because the name change doesn't take effect until the system reboots. Once the laptop restarts, the updated device name becomes the Bluetooth broadcast name, and paired devices should show the new label automatically. After rebooting, verify the new name by going to Settings right arrow Bluetooth and Devices and confirming what your laptop now reports. If a paired phone or accessory still shows the old name, unpair that device and then pair it again. Bluetooth caches names on remote devices, so a repair often forces an update. If problems persist, restart Bluetooth on both ends or reboot the remote device. That clears cache and ensures the new PC name is recognized as the Bluetooth visible name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.